Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the another part of similarity. This is your basic proportionality theorem. In the short form, it is written BPT. This is your theorem. Let ABC the line triangle. And L1 is a line drawn parallel to BC, intersecting the AB at a point D and AC at a point E. This is your theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle, intersects the other two sides of the triangle at two distinct points, then the line will divide the sides into equal ratio. So we have to prove that you see the diagram, L1 is parallel to BC, intersecting the other two sides AB and AC at a point D and E. So we have to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is your basic proportionality theorem. Now, you see in the diagram, angle B is equal to angle D, corresponding angle, because lines are parallel. D is parallel to BC, and angle E is equal to angle C. Also, corresponding angles are equal when lines are parallel. So now in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, angle ABC equal to angle ADE, under bracket you write down the region, corresponding angles. Similarly, angle ACB equal to angle AED, same region, two angles in these two triangles are equal, and this is why these two triangles are similar to each other. So using the principle of similarity, we will prove this theorem. Therefore, we can write down AB by AD equal to AC by AE. BC by D we can write down, but it is not required in this theorem. So AB can be written AD plus DB by AD equal to, in the figure AC can be written AE plus EC are divided by AE. Or we can write down AD by AD plus DB by AD equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE. So it will be 1, or we can write down 1 plus DB by AD, 1 plus DB by AD equal to 1 plus EC by AE. Both the sides, 1 will be cancelled, that is equal to DB by AD equal to EC by AE. We can write down in the reciprocal form also, or AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So you see in the question, if such condition is given in the question, directly use the result of the theorem to do the problems in the exercise. Its converse also. If a line is drawn dividing the two sides of a triangle in the equal ratio, then the line will be parallel to the third side. If it is given in such type of the figure, if AD by D equal to AE by EC given in the question, in a particular question, then you can prove the question D will be parallel to BC. Second theorem, internal angle bisector theorem. Internal angle bisector of a triangle. This is your theorem. Let ABC is a triangle. This is another theorem. Internal angle bisector of a triangle. Let bisector of angle A is AB. It means if this angle is x, suppose this angle is also x, then this is the theorem. Internal angle bisector of a triangle theorem is BD by DC. BD by DC, we have to prove that BD by DC equal to AB by AC. This is your theorem. Internal angle bisector of a triangle divides the opposite sides in the same ratio equal to the sides of the triangle containing the angle. So BD by DC equal to AB by AC. BD is the bisector of angle A, and angle A is made by the sides AB and AC. So we have to prove that, and the opposite sides of the vertex A is BC. So BD by DC equal to AB by AC. We have to prove it. Now we will produce the line AB. From point C, we will draw a line parallel to AD. Suppose that this line is parallel to AD. Suppose this is your E to prove it. BE is parallel to CE. Sorry, AD is parallel to C according to construction. AD is parallel to CE. This is why angle DAC, therefore angle DAC will be equal to angle ACE. Write down the reason in support of your any mathematical statement in the geometry. Reasons are required. Must write down the reason. Alternate angles. So this angle will be also x. Now angle BAD equal to this angle equal to this angle. Angle BAD equal to angle BEC. Write down corresponding angles. So this angle is also x. Therefore, AD, it is constructed, AD is parallel to EC. Now in triangle ABD and BEC, in triangle BAD and triangle BEC. You see here, we will use the BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So we can write down, directly we will use whatever the theorem, just write. Right now I have explained to you, directly use the basic proportionality theorem to prove it. We can write down BB by BC equal to BA by AE. BA by AE. This is your first equation. Suppose you see the diagram, triangle AEC, this angle is equal to x and this angle is also x. So in triangle AEC, A equal to AC, A equal to AC, you write down the region, angle AEC equal to angle ACE, this angle equal to this angle, angle AEC equal to angle ACE. Now for the place of AE, we will substitute AC in the first equation, or BD by BC equal to BA by, for the place of AE we will use AC, BA by AC, or AB by AC we can write down. So directly we can use. You see in the question, if this particular condition is given in the question, then directly you can use this theorem also. Children, let us see some question in this exercise. Question number, in this exercise 13.2. So exercise 13.2. See question number 2. See in the diagram, this is given in the question A, B, C, and this is a line parallel to BC intersecting at D and E. It is given in the question AD equal to x, DB equal to x minus 2. If AD equal to x, DB equal to x minus 2, A equal to x plus 2, A equal to x plus 2 and EC equal to x minus 2. EC equal to given in the x minus 2. EC equal to x minus 1. EC equal to x minus 1. It is given in the question. And we have to find out the value of x. Once you check it, AD equal to x, DB equal to x minus 2, A equal to x plus 2 and EC equal to x minus 1. We have to find out the value of it is given. Find x. See in the diagram, I have already been told to you. You analyze the question, the figure, and check what are conditions given to you. According to the given criteria or the condition in the given question, you can use the theorems. So we will use the BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, because D is parallel to BC. It is given that D is parallel to BC. So we can write down directly AD by DB equal to AE by EC. And in the right hand side, we will have to write down the reason in support of the mathematical statement. So AD in triangle ABC and triangle ABE, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is important. By BPT, you write down in the short form, or you can write down by basic proportional theorem. This region is necessary. Substitute the value, given value AD equal to x by DB equal to x minus 2 equal to A equal to x plus 2 and EC equal to x minus 1. We will do now cross multiplication to find out the value of x, or x minus 2 into x plus 2 equal to x under bracket, or we can write down in the left hand side x into x minus 1, x under bracket x minus 1, or x minus 2 and x plus 2 will be equal to x square minus 4. A minus b into a plus b will be equal to a square minus b square. This whole expression will be x square minus 4 equal to x square minus x. In both the sides, x square will be cancelled, or minus 4 equal to minus x, cancel minus minus, therefore x equal to 4. You see the question. We can use according to the conditions given in the question. We can use the principle of similarity or theorems, whatever you have been studied. So children, we will discuss about the another question in the next class.